Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is business card design. Businesses and professionals need eye-catching business cards to make a lasting impression. As a business card designer, you'll create custom designs that reflect your client's brands. Start by learning tools like Adobe InDesign or Canva, which are great for creating professional designs. Many clients pay $20 to $100 per design, depending on the complexity and your experience. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to local businesses that need help with their branding. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy designing and want to help businesses grow. Next is video editing. With video content dominating the internet, businesses and creators need skilled editors to create professional quality videos. As a video editor, you'll edit footage, add effects, and ensure the final product is polished. Start by learning tools like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and delivering high-quality edits. You can find work on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by networking with content creators. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities. Third is online surveys. While not a traditional skill, completing online surveys can be a simple way to earn extra cash. Companies are willing to pay for your opinions on products and services. Start by signing up for reputable survey platforms like Swagbucks or Survey Junkie. Many users earn $50 to $200 per month, depending on the time they invest. To maximize your earnings, focus on platforms that offer higher payouts and bonuses. While this won't replace a full-time income, it's a great way to earn some extra money in your spare time. Fourth is tech support. As more businesses go remote, the demand for tech support specialists is skyrocketing. As a tech support expert, you'll help clients troubleshoot software, hardware, and network issues. Start by learning the basics of common operating systems and software. Many clients pay $20 to $50 per hour, depending on the complexity of the issue. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or reach out to small businesses that need IT support. With a bit of practice, you can build a reputation and attract higher paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy problem solving and want to tap into a growing industry. Finally, let's talk about motion graphics. With video content booming, businesses need eye-catching animations for ads, social media, and presentations. As a motion graphics artist, you'll create dynamic visuals that grab attention. Start by learning software like Adobe After Effects or Blender, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and animation principles. You can find clients on platforms like Behance or Fiverr, or by networking with content creators. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the creative industry. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose business card design, video editing, online surveys, tech support, or motion graphics, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.